Good day, dear viewers. Discover the fascinating relationship between cinnamon and blood sugar in this short video. Join us as we delve into the science behind how cinnamon may impact blood sugar levels. Learn about the compounds found in cinnamon that could potentially improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose uptake. We'll explore the latest research findings. Whether you're managing diabetes or simply interested in optimizing your health, this video provides valuable insights into the potential benefits of cinnamon for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Don't miss out on this informative exploration of nature's spice and its effects on your health. What is cinnamon? Cinnamon is a popular spice derived from the inner bark of trees belonging to the genus Cinnamomum. It's been used for centuries in various cuisines and traditional medicines around the world. Its warm, sweet, and slightly spicy flavor makes it a favorite in both sweet and savory dishes. Cinnamon comes in two main types: Ceylon cinnamon, often referred to as true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon, which is more commonly found in stores. Both types contain beneficial compounds, but there are some differences that we'll explore further. There are two main types of cinnamon. Number 1. Ceylon cinnamon, called Cinnamomum verum. What is its origin and characteristics? Ceylon cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka and southern parts of India. It has a lighter color and a sweeter, more delicate flavor compared to cassia cinnamon. The bark is thin and can easily be broken into small pieces. What are its health benefits? Ceylon cinnamon contains lower levels of coumarin, a natural compound that can be harmful in large amounts. This makes it a safer option for long-term use. It is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for overall health. Second type is cassia cinnamon, called Cinnamomum cassia. Its origin and characteristics. Cassia cinnamon is mainly grown in China and Indonesia. It has a darker color and a stronger, more pungent flavor. The bark is thicker and harder to break. What are its health benefits? Cassia cinnamon is more commonly used in studies related to blood sugar control. It contains higher levels of coumarin, which can be a concern if consumed in large quantities. However, in moderate amounts, it offers significant health benefits, including its impact on blood sugar levels. How cinnamon impacts blood sugar. Number 1. Active compounds in cinnamon. Cinnamon contains several bioactive compounds, including cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, and cinnamate. These compounds are believed to have various health benefits, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Cinnamaldehyde. This is the primary compound responsible for cinnamon's distinctive flavor and aroma. It has been shown to have insulin-like activity, which can help in the regulation of blood sugar levels. Number 2. Insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake. Cinnamon has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. Insulin is a hormone that helps cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, it can lead to high blood sugar levels and type 2 diabetes. And by enhancing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon helps cells to better respond to insulin, thus improving glucose uptake and reducing blood sugar levels. Research findings. Numerous studies have explored the potential benefits of cinnamon for blood sugar control. Here are some key findings. Number 1. It improves fasting blood glucose levels. Research has shown that cinnamon can help lower fasting blood glucose levels. In a study published in the journal Diabetes Care, participants who consumed cinnamon experienced a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar levels compared to those who took a placebo. Number 2. It reduces hemoglobin A1C levels. Hemoglobin A1C is a measure of average blood glucose levels over the past 2 to 3 months. Some studies have found that cinnamon supplementation can lead to a modest reduction in A1C levels, indicating better long-term blood sugar control. Number 3. Antioxidant effects. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. These effects can also contribute to better blood sugar control and overall health. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet. 1. Dosage and safety. While cinnamon can be beneficial, it's important to consume it in moderation. The recommended daily intake of cassia cinnamon should not exceed 1 to 2 teaspoons, that is 2 to 4 grams, to avoid excessive intake of coumarin. Ceylon cinnamon, with its lower coumarin content, can be consumed in slightly higher amounts. It is always best to consult with the healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Number 2. Ways to use cinnamon. 1. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. 2. Mix cinnamon into smoothies for a warm, spicy flavor. 3. Use cinnamon as a natural sweetener in coffee or tea. 4. Incorporate cinnamon into baking recipes, such as cookies, cakes, and muffins. 5. Add cinnamon to savory dishes, like curries and stews, for a unique twist. In conclusion, cinnamon is more than just a delicious spice. It holds potential benefits for blood sugar regulation and overall health. By understanding the differences between Ceylon and cassia cinnamon, you can make informed choices about incorporating this spice into your diet. Whether you're managing diabetes or simply looking to optimize your health, cinnamon can be a valuable addition to your dietary routine. Remember to consume it in moderation and consult with the healthcare professional if you have any concerns. For more insightful content on natural health remedies and dietary tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from the potential health benefits of cinnamon. Join our community as we continue to explore the fascinating world of natural health and wellness.